Digestion in human beings. Digestion in human beings involves various processes. The digestion begins from the mouth, the chewing of food, the buccal cavity. Here the food mixes with the saliva produced by salivary glands, which converts starch into glucose and smoothens the path of food to pass easily through esophagus. Esophagus is the food pipe. Through esophagus, it reaches to stomach, where it is again broken into simpler form, and then it passes to small intestine, and then to large intestine, and then the waste material is excreted through rectum. Ingestion. Taking in of food. When we take in food, the food is chewed by the teeth into smaller particles. The teeth helps in the breaking down of food into simpler form, so it can easily pass through esophagus, and esophagus pushes it to stomach. The thin layered skin in the stomach produces some digestive juices and hydrochloric acid when food reaches in the stomach. Hydrochloric acid, HCl, helps in killing bacteria present in the food, and digestive juices helps in breaking the food into simpler form, so it can be easily absorbed by the cells, and then it passes to small intestine. You can see the food is passing from stomach to small intestine, and small intestine is about 7 to 8 meters long approximate. As the food reaches small intestine, the digestive juices produced by liver, the bile juice, is secreted in the gallbladder, which mixes with the food and helps in breaking the food into simpler form, complex substance into simpler form. Liver is the largest organ of the digestive system. It is reddish brown in color, and it secretes bile juice, which is secreted in the gallbladder. Pancreas produce pancreatic juice, which have enzymes which helps in breaking down the complex material. These are the finger-like structures present on the small intestine surface, which have gappings in between them. They are like a network. They are connected to blood vessels. When the food material comes, the surface gap increases and it is absorbed inside. These are connected to the blood vessels, and this material, when reaches to blood, it is broken down into carbon dioxide and water, and proteins are absorbed by the cells, and we can say this process as assimilation. The undigested and unabsorbed food material then passes to large intestine, where the remaining components of the food are absorbed. Large intestine is approximate 1.5 meter long, and it is wider than small intestine. As the food passes through large intestine, the water and salts present in the food is absorbed, means the remaining food material is absorbed in the large intestine. After absorbing the remaining components in the large intestine, the waste is excreted through anus.